What's up guys, today is just going to be a quick video of installing a 180sx drum handbrake conversion plate. If you're switching to Nissan 2-pot rear calipers, you'll probably end up with the drum handbrake setup. This conversion plate allows you to not only run the S13 180sx handbrake cables, but it also gives you the flexibility of allowing yourself to use R33 handbrake cables. Because picture this, it's the first day of Drift Matsuri, you're going into turn one, you go to rip the handbrake and one cable snaps on you and you don't have any cables left over. But there's a guy in the pit bay next to you that owns an R33 and he has cables spare. Yet you can't use the R33 cables because they don't slightly line up with 180sx's or S13 chassis. But if you have this GKTech conversion plate, it allows you to run both cables, which is great for options and flexibilities if you need to use one or other while you're at the track. Now, the reason why this will be a quick video today is because I actually want to install the tail shaft and diff. However, I would be double handling things if I was to put the tail shaft up and then have to pull it back down to muck around with the handbrake cables. So let's get straight into it.